Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the JONSBO D30 small micro tower with tempered glass side panels. So friend, the D30 by JONSBO is unveiled, and friend, the micro tower PC case comes with a height of 325 mm, that is relatively small in size. And friend, there is tempered glass on the left side of the case, and the form factor is compatible with MicroATX, Mini-DTX and Mini-ITX motherboard. And friend, the exterior panels are constructed of aluminum, which is specially of top and bottom 120 mm or 140 mm into 2 dimensions, as well as rear 120 mm into 1 and bottom 120 mm into 3 or 140 mm into 2. And friend, there are 3 2.5 inch shadow bays and 1 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch shadow bays in the drive bay. And friend, there are 4 expansion slots, each of which can accommodate a graphics card with a total length of 305 mm, the power supply unit with a depth of 220 mm, and a CPU cooler with a total height of 168 mm in each of 4 effective space. The I/O ports are USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-C into 1, USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-A into 1, audio terminal into 1, USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-C into 1, and the external dimensions are 204 mm in width, 401 mm in depth, and 325 mm in height. And friend, the 0.6 mm thick steel is used to construct the chassis, 1.5 mm thick aluminum is used for the exterior, and 3 mm thick tempered glass is used for the front panel. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.